What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So, hey guys, welcome back to my video, and today I will be doing unboxing these Disney tongue doll. She's super cute and adorable. Let's get started by opening. Now, the M&M thing because I'm very excited. So I already opened this, but just you have a short so you can't see. Sorry about that, guys. Oh my gosh, sorry. So let's get started opening. I'm very excited. So the camera here because I don't know what should I. So let's just open. The picture that I using it. On the back, it's super cute. On it is like a little serious. So let's get open. I got Rapunzel. Okay. Oh, got a little brush. So we got Pascal. So anyway, and the thing. Let's check it out. Oh, I need scissors for this time. I want to out this one can actually be used. Okay. Let's go check it out. Whoa, look at that. There's a little mirror. I'm using this phone. It's in my face. And then a little chair. A dress. And a little book on here. I'm going to take it out. Can't take it all. There it is. Little book. Little thing over here that I can't take it off. So the other things is like let's be playing it out. Okay. Her hair is blue and she's so little. Look at that on the back. It's like no dogs. Like just like here, no dogs. Like, wait, I want this here. Her hair is super longer than, but my hair is really long. Her hair is really, but it's really long. So just keep on combing her hair. Stickers. Ooh, her hair is so beautiful. Whoa. It smells yucky. It's just like a hairstyle. It's like this. Like that. So you can see how like Josie. What? I love it. Okay, and she can sit. Oops, I want to count it. I don't like that. Wow. Okay, there you go. She's sitting and his little thing over here. And Pascal going to sit in here. She's color changing. No, it's not color changing. I'll take this color changing. She's not in here. Oh, I failed. Okay, says the serious. This is Tango the serious. Rapunzel gets ready for adventure. After vanity, Rapunzel prepared for adventures. Rapunzel the preparer. Parallel. Adventurer. Rapunzel. Adventurer. I can never understand the video. I think Haskell's more coloring. Chili's more changing. No, not more changing. So that's it for the video. I'm sorry. And I forgot there's some little rays over there. So thanks for watching. Bye. Ooh, this was so cool. It's super heavy, right? So thank you for watching my video. Bye.